retired faculty of metallurgical engineering, and Professor Mihir Kumar Roy, retired faculty of chemical engineering. We will start the evening program straight away by felicitating Professor Tushar Roy and Professor Mihir Kumar Roy. May I request President NIDA, Sri Sumanta Roy Choudhury. May I request President NIDA, Sri Sumanta Roy Choudhury, to felicitate Professor Tushar Roy, please. Our admiration, our respect to Professor Tushar Roy, who has been all along a great teacher, and in fact to all of us students, a great friend.
सामने टेके ले चिन्ह
Sri Sumanta Roy Choudhury, Professor Tushar Roy.
माचुगिरी कोले तोरा काटी दी थोड़ा
I felicitate you, sir. Please now. May I now request Sri Sumanta Roy Choudhury to felicitate Professor Mihir Kumar Roy, retired faculty of chemical engineering. I felicitate you. We feel honored, sir.
Corrosion. People corrosion. Corrosion.
আমার মনেও আছে কলেজে থাকতে মনে ছিল না কিচ্ছু খালি পাকা তোমার এখন তো মনে পড়ে যাচ্ছে
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Professor Ashok Sen is no more there with us, but he lives in our hearts, he lives in our minds. May I request Sumanta Roy Choudhury to felicitate Gordon, the portrait of Professor Ashok Sen, please.
স্ট্যান্ডিং ওভেশন প্লিজ
Professor Tushar Roy is a retired faculty of metallurgical engineering from RU, and he did his GIC metallurgical engineering from London. He has the teaching experience of 3 years in BHU and 37 years in the erstwhile RE College, Durgapur, presently known as NIT Durgapur. He has the industrial experience of 2 years in Air Technical Training Institute, Dehradun, Damdam. He visited UK for 1 year under UNDP and obtained DIC. He is a great professor. I have been his student for quite a long time. But what he is remembered for, he is remembered for his uncanny and passionate love for his students. We love him, and he used to love the students also. And his message to each and everyone sitting here and all across the globe is hope for the best, but get set ready for the worst to come. That gives us the inspiration to fight back, to go ahead, to march ahead. May I request Professor Tushar Roy to share some of his thoughts. Sir, our time is very restricted, but all said and done, we love to listen to our respected professor. Professor Tushar Roy, please.
He happens to know dignitaries as a teacher. I wish Happy New Year to the members of the NIDA, students, present and past teacher of RE College / NIT. He happens to be my students. Being a metallurgist and a teacher of iron and steel making, I expected Mr. Jindal to be present so that I could have talked something regarding the breaking of status quo, which he stressed upon. And he said that he considers breaking of status quo by increasing the cubic feet of the blast furnace, 5,000 plus. Now my observation as iron and steel making, he knows me very well, the conventional technology of iron and steel making is what? Reduce iron ore, reduce it to the extent that you produce an impure product called pig iron. Then oxidize it, oxidize the impurities, to get the steel and that too in a impure product which has to be deoxidized. And in the process of deoxidation, you again produce some dirty steel. Now the status quo, what I feel fundamentally, to have a breakthrough, the whole technology. Before that,